To fix a Remitly app that's not working, first check your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for the app to function. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and vice versa. Next, ensure the app is updated to the latest version by visiting the App Store, searching for the Remitly app, and checking for any available updates. If the app is not updated, it may not function properly. If updating the app doesn't resolve the issue, go to the settings, find the app in the general settings, and offload it. Then, reinstall the app. In most cases, this should fix the problem. However, if the issue persists, you can try deleting the app entirely and then reinstalling it from the App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Remitly app.